Welcome to the beautiful Makiki Valley. Join me by the waterfall for some sun salutation. Taking in forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. And exhale, fold over your legs. Swan dive up, reach up, and then take your side bend to one side and then the other, following your breath. Float your hands gracefully all the way down. Return to forward fold and then step your feet back to plank. Lower down. Upward facing dog. Lift your hips. Downward facing dog. Up to forward fold and halfway lift. Return down, forward fold. Now inhale all the way up. Take your side bend to one side and then the other. Finally lift up and let your arms float down. Plant your hands on the earth and step back to plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog and exhale to down dog. Take some nice deep breath here and downward facing dog. Let your head hang heavy. Press your hands into the earth. Halfway lift. Exhale back. Inhale, rise all the way up, reach up, and then exhale as you take your side bend. Inhale back to your center and exhale for the other side. Inhale up, look up, and float gracefully down. Returning your hands to the earth, step back to plank. And chaturanga, up dog. Settle into your down dog. Lift your hips a little higher, sink your heels a little lower. Push your heart towards the earth. Sink your hips down, bring your hands high, bend your knees deeply, chair pose. Swing your arms wide, one arm goes behind, chair twist. Come back to center and follow your breath to twist the other way. And back to center, stand all the way up, reach up, and then fold forward. Halfway lift. And forward fold. Step your feet back. Find your plank, your up dog, and your down dog. Right leg lifts up high, three-legged dog. Step it between your hands and rise up, warrior one. Lift your hands high above your head, and then lower them back down. Step back to plank, up dog, and down dog. Left leg lifts high to the sky, three-legged dog, and then step your foot between your hands. Inhale all the way up, warrior one, and then plant your hands, step back, Pushes vinyasa. Highway plank. Up dog to down dog. Deep breath. Inhale, lift the right leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, step it between your hands and stand up. On your right leg, lift your left leg up into tree pose, opening your knee out to the side. And then curtsy and climb onto your tricep with your right knee. Lift your left leg up to the sky for one-legged crow. Left hand comes down, right hand comes up, dragonfly twist. Stand up, five-pointed star. Now your right hand comes to your left foot, revolved triangle. And then left elbow finds left thigh as right hand swims overhead, extended side angle. Sink your hips down into half splits and then stand up. Crescent lunge. Float your back leg as you reach down with your left hand and find half moon pose. And then grab onto your toes for a bind if you want to. And then bring your feet together for side plank. Turn to the floor, both hands to the mat, lower down chaturanga, and then switch to the opposite side, side plank. Return your hands to the mat, chaturanga, up dog, and down dog. That's it, beautiful. Deep breaths here, reset in down dog. And now let's do the left side. Left leg lifts, three-legged dog. Step it through. And stand up on your left leg. Bring your right leg up to tree pose, resting your foot on your calf, pressing your palms together. And then bend both knees behind you, find a curtsy. Left knee climbs onto left tricep, and then raise your right foot up to the sky for a one-legged crow. Right hand comes down, left arm peels open, dragonfly twist. And then stand up. Five-pointed star, nice straight legs, arms open wide, open your heart, lift your chin. Breathe in this beautiful air. Next, left hand finds right foot, revolved triangle. Extended side angle, left elbow to left thigh, right hand swims overhead. Oh, sorry, that's right elbow to right thigh. Left arm swimming overhead, gaze towards your arm. Extended side angle. Keep breathing. Good. Coming into half splits. Straighten your front leg, bend your back leg, bring your hands to the earth, and then stand up into a crescent lunge. Reach your right hand down to the earth, left foot and left hand float up to half moon. And then bend your leg, reaching for your toes, taking a bind. Bound moon pose. There we go. Keep trying. Mhm. From here, step your foot back to a lunge, and then one feet meets the other as you find your side plank. Left hand comes down to the mat. Turn your body to find plank pose and then lower down into a chaturanga. Hover over the earth, bending your elbows. That's it. Good. And then press up into side plank on the other side. Hold your body steady. Try and make a straight line from heels all the way to shoulders. And then plank, lower down, up dog, and down dog. Namaste.